Okay, guys, this is just me, or every time you see like something on TikTok, your curiosity get the best of you and you want to try it. So today, me gonna make wache. Okay, it's this trend I see going around. I've never done it before. I have no idea what may I do. I've never tasted it, but my mind is curious on how it tastes. But let me be very frank. Me I gonna mix it and do it my Jamaican way. I see people make it with milk and Sprite. And some well if I mix up my love. But guess what? When I was younger, my father used to make a drink with Guinness, Supplegen, and milk. I made it love it bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make my base with Supplegen, Guinness, nutmeg, milk, and some more for something. We'll get the ingredients as we go along. So this is my Jamaican version of wache. Voila. So here we have. I'm gonna start it with some almond milk. And I make it, normally them put ice and do fruits. But me I start it with the juice first. And then I put in the mix up. I don't know if this is enough. Let me put some more. And I make my juice first because me as a girl, me like taste as I go. You know, so we like to taste or something then. So I'm gonna add Supplegen. And like I say, my father named Polofin and he used to make that juice with Supplegen and Guinness and some people put all peanut in it. If you come from Jamaica, you know what I talk about. So that's why I do my one that way, yeah. Because them say sometimes you have to stick to the evil way, you know. So I think it's a Korean fruit bowl. That's what I see the hashtag saying. But me I do the Jamaican ingredients as the base. You should have ice in it so it's very... It kind of quenching, you know. But I don't want the ice melt out in my something and make it fresh. So I'm going to make my one without ice. So that's Supplegen. My mama tell you, Guinness. And we're going to add fruit. Shoot, this is not the turn. This is not the one. This is a napkin. This is not the one where you can turn off the top. Only a Jamaican would understand. What it's like to pull this with your teeth. You don't understand it. I don't drink Guinness, but me go toops a little bit tonight to bring it up. Because my father was a Rasta and he used to love him Guinness. So this is R.I.P. to my daddy. I love you. But go see what I go on. Pass one spoon, let me taste it and see what I go on. Because I don't want to overdo it. Let me taste it as I go. Because you know me have to go down in this. I'm going to put it over there. Them say everything you see I follow, you know. But remember, I tell you, I like to see how they eat the fruit bowl, yeah. I'm not going to lie, I want to taste it. I go toops a little bit of vanilla in it. You know if you overdo it when you come on to the vanilla, because it will show off the flavor and make it taste insipidish. I wanted to put nutmeg in it. You have a grater? But for some reason, I'm going to make nutmeg with because I can't find the... I can't find the grater. So guys, see what I'm going for so far. If you want more Guinness. Put some more Guinness. Alright. Toops of salt or what. Want the base for nice. I'm gonna add some condensed milk to sweeten it a little bit. A condensed milk them get so thick. Is it just me? Or the condensed milk them get real thick? Normally this is not run like river. It thick like glue, man. I don't want to overdo it because I don't want it too sweet. So I add some condensed milk. As opposed to sweet now. Let me taste what I go on. No, sir. I feel like I want to throw some more Guinness in it, but I don't want to spoil it. I don't want it insipid. I want it very flavorful. I'm gonna put one more supper gen. So I come back and I run my belly. Alright. Should I put sugar? Why it not taste sweet? I don't understand. I wonder if the Guinness and the supper gen fight. Some fighting are going right here saying, but for me, like I said, when I see them making like the Korean fruit bowl, then put the fruits first and then they mix up the juice and then put the soda and some one bag of something. But I want to taste my juice first. Alright. I'm gonna go down in it now, Jesus. That me I talk about. Now that I feel like the base not so bad, it can go on. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes good. The something tastes good. It no tastes nice, like when my father do it, you know. Something I miss about my can't. I so remember what. My father used to put this in it. 1 egg. A cake. I wish I could bake. I'm on like a cake. That's my new song, by the way. Hashtag Baker Man and see what's going on. I'm not sure if we put the egg in it, because I really don't want to spoil it. So what do you think? Should I put the egg in it? My father used to drop an egg in it. I really don't want to spoil a bowl of juice here, you know. I'm going to leave the egg for last. My friend in the background and shake her head and said, no egg. My father used to put the egg in it. I'm going to do it in a Jamaican spirit. I'm going to drop an egg in it. Let me just do the egg white. Oops. Oh, blood clot. I don't want egg. Alright, so we'll just mix it up. Now for you might say yuck when you see the egg, because that's what I used to say, but my father Rasta. And when he mix up film juice and go down with the peanut and the Guinness and the wally for something them, and him drop the egg in it never do me nothing. Look how me nice and firm and thick. Look how me good. Look how me good. My father used to give me the mix up juice and it's sweet like I'm me for tell you. Jesus, I'm sorry, I drop the egg in it though, you know. I'm not gonna lie. I beat it out. And if me feel whisk it like cake. Don't say yuck until you try. Because I know I'm not going to talk about 1 egg. It tastes good. It's nice. Tastes good. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice, bud. I'm gonna go in with some watermelon. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if this is a peach or a plum. I can't remember if the fruit here is a peach or a plum. Also cute. Some watermelon. I'm gonna do some strawberry. All of this wash already. So I'm gonna put some banana. Should I put more? Alright. And I should have cut up my grapes, but I didn't have time. I'm gonna cut some. Just a few pieces. And I'm gonna leave some big so I can have the crunch. Cause I love when my grape them crunchy. You never know. I love crunchy grape. When you eat a grape, you're supposed to hear crack, crack, crack. And I'm gonna leave some whole ones. Those look good, man. I like Jesus. But we go down in this now. Alright. And I'm gonna do mangoes. But if you notice, me have 2 different slices of mango. I cut up some small. And I'm gonna left them 2 pieces here, big, because as I cut off the one side of the mango. Because me's a girl. I love eat salt and black pepper with little mango. And we know the salt not good for you, but you have to sprinkle a little black pepper for your mango when you eat it, especially when it turn. I want toops of salt, no whole eat, no diabetes type. Yes, you don't even see the grain. And you go so now, bam, and you let the taste begin. Oh, nice.